Good morning. It's Tuesday morning. It has been snowing for 24 hours. Temperature 16 degrees. Wind chill -3 degrees. Chepachet, which is about 20 miles from my home, has 19 inches so far. We have no idea how much we have because of the wind factor. Julie and Lucille are in Barbados yesterday and St. Lucia today. Donna is in Boca Raton and my cousin Roberta is in Sanibel. I don't want you guys to miss any of this wonderful adventure we're having here. Stonewall and Narragansett almost completely covered. I don't know the status on Block Island. Have fun, guys. We certainly are.